High School Living Certificate Chihek Pen HSLC Examination 2025 Ketok Dun Pen Kisang Atumapan Secondary Education Board of Assam Lapen District Inspector of Schools Difu Atumpen Batai Hiniching Wide PC Kedamtang HSLC Satlang Ketok Ki Undun Di Atumapan Puthot Pini Pen Hamren Rongsopi Lapen Baitalangso Higher Secondary School Palong Niadim Compartmental Examination 2025 Ketok Tujiapan Aruni Phaing Korage Thomarni Pen Kepangchengpon Hamren Rongsopi, Hamren Govt Higher Secondary School along Bang Paruhinia Payatumsi Puthot Labangso Satlang Tokpon HSLC Satlang Teki Klangdun Ning Oilak Terak Mimi Abir Tasi Longdun Lo Puwai Pitsita Failure is the pillars of success Pu Ketokateng Si Ketek Keri Kachinia Jakong Kilongji Apan Ke Bor Ipen Kachedan Kenang Sot Lapen Varsai Kilong Ahusi Charlie Pen Bor Inangji Aning Ke Hangatuma Pan Puthot Asatlang Ketok Chulong. Failures are part of the journey, and with determination and a renewed focus, you can achieve your goals. Palam Tepen, Aning Pathidunsi Compartmental Examination 2025, Hamren Rongsopi along Tokpon. Aruni Phaing Korage Thompen, Inquiry Sirke Bang Bosi Compartmental Asatlang Ketok, Piju Jipusi, Hamren Govt Higher Secondary, HSLC Examination Center, Principal Singh Kropen, Ningjepon.
Hamren Govt Higher Secondary Compartmental Center, Menang Apurta Pini dan Kecheng. Sedak center bantai, tentu ada Mangharoni itu, dan Mangharoni bumbangkan. So we complete Roxy school. School mental है ना. Hamren Govt Kecheng English High School, Don Bosco High School, Don Bosco High School Tirikinde, Habika English High School, Hamren Govt High School, Tirikinde High School, Birsa English High School, Kolong English High School, Krungje English High School, Langerda English High School, Presbyterian Mission Hamren. Residential English High School, Rongchek English High School, Rongkarbi English High School, Umchera English High School, Vida Mandir Academy. Complete Roxy School that compartmental center में कोई ना उतना कैंडिडेट बनते बन भरो है 200 कैंडिडेट तेरा बेपी ने बनते सब्जेक्ट वाइज से कैलेक्ट करेगा कैंडिडेट तीन की टेंसी बनते एमआई का सब्जेक्ट तीन बनते बाइक तो 26 कैंडिडेट Kemudian program prestasi belajar kira kemudian belajar karena kan kayak present bang yang mana sokul kami seperti itu. Mana macam sokul kabu tak. Maka ini tu meeting berita.
Halapu Hamren Govt Higher Secondary School, School Managing Committee Maipu, Krishna Prasad Sharma Pen, Hamren Govt Higher Secondary School along, Lothan Pakisung Lapen Kaduria Puthak Lamthi Jaidun. Non-compartmental examination ke kecheng pen ki jut thangnat ka siksa ka videt jiapan law and order hin pen sitami keton kilang asai dengdun Hamren pen Chandra Singh Ronghang report KTV News.